What an amazing year 2019 was. We added almost 100,000 subscribers to the channel and over 8 million channel views. And to tell you, my love for teaching and sharing woodworking and making things only grows. And the positive feedback that you guys have given me has been absolutely incredible. There's one piece of feedback that I get that really, really means a lot to me and has sort of dictated this video and where some parts of my business are going. One of those communications that means the world to me that I get on such a regular basis is people who are disabled who are doing woodworking. And one of the things that is a constant in all of those communications is how much of a difference woodworking has made in their life. This has led me to sort of become obsessed with how to improve the lives of people in wheelchairs who are woodworking and using it not only as therapy, but for their business. It was because of my interest in this subject that I found JB Woodworks on Instagram. He is an amazing woodworker who makes a living from woodworking, and he's in a wheelchair from a car accident 12 years ago. And I reached out to him, and we have been talking for quite a while, and I'm really excited to announce the Katz-Moses Disabled Woodworkers Fund. We're gonna raise money to travel to people's shops to help get them situated so that they can utilize the space in a way that works with their disabilities. We're going to use the fund to buy tools, to buy things that make wood shops more accessible, like ways to lower tools or create sawhorses that can hold things so that they can get their chair underneath. But one of the most interesting things that I heard from John from JB Woodworks is that he didn't even know that woodworking was possible after he had his accident. And it wasn't just until a fluke encounter that he realized that this was something he could do. And it's now something that is his professional life, and I think that's just amazing. And so anybody who comments on my videos who says, well, if I had your shop I could do that, I'm gonna point them to JB Woodworks Instagram page, because there are no excuses that you can possibly have that says you can't do and get things done. So how are we gonna do this? Well, a couple of ways. I've partnered with a disabled veteran, Team Henry Designs on Instagram. He is making coffee cups for the Katz-Moses store. These are laser engraved coffee cups. They come in my favorite, teal, because I never lose it. I always put my cup down somewhere in the shop and go, where's my dang coffee? And now this is super easy to see. And we have matte black. It's very cool, powder coat, and they look incredible. Those are on the store. The proceeds from the sales of those are going to go to the fund. We are also introducing channel memberships, which are down below. And a portion of those proceeds are also going to go to the fund. As well, personally, I am going to donate 5% of the proceeds from all of the sales in the Katz-Moses store in January. So there's 3 ways to support the fund. You can buy something from the Katz-Moses store, like a dovetail jig, a stop block. We have these really cool Katz-Moses t-shirts, very punny shirt, haha. And then these coffee cups. The coffee cups are going fully to the fund. Everything else I'll be donating 5% over the course of January, as well as channel memberships, which are now part of supporting the channel. With channel memberships, you'll be able to see member-only live streams, behind-the-scenes type stuff, and it'll be really cool. And of course, that money will help go fund the new charity that we're putting together. It's really cool. Mark, my editor, cinematographer, John from JB Woodwork and Team Henry Designs over on Instagram, we're all gonna get together and discuss how to move forward. But I really just want to be able to provide accessibility to people with disabilities to woodworking, because I know the difference it can make in their lives. And I want to take the sort of support that we've garnered on YouTube through lots of hard work and help use that to do something good. So 2020 is going to be an amazing year, guys. Thank you so much for the support. I never take it for granted, and I really, really, I'm humbled every day by the comments and messages I get. So guys, thank you so much. Stay safe in the shop and have a wonderful day.